first log into your BNTouch CRM, you can use the Dashboard tab to get up to speed with your new leads, marketing campaigns, and daily tasks for your business. These reminders and alerts are important to make sure you are always staying current and communicating with your partners, so linking your tasks directly to partner records can save you considerable time and effort. In the same way, being able to create new tasks while working in a partner's record ensures you won't miss a call, appointment, or follow-up. When you set these reminders for yourself, you will be able to see what is on your plate whenever you log in to BNTouch. In the Partnerships tab of your CRM, you can open a partner's record by clicking their blue name link. Here, the Tasks sub-tab will display any tasks that have been linked to their record. By default, you'll see any currently pending tasks that haven't yet been addressed. You can instead see every task for a partner by clicking the All Tasks link above this list. This will show even completed and canceled tasks. For each task, you can see what user the task was assigned to and created by. The performed date will show the date and time when the task is scheduled for. Tasks that are pending or have already been acted upon will appear in black, while missed tasks will appear in red. These missed tasks have passed their assigned date and have not been marked as complete or canceled. Tasks will also show the marketing sequence of the partner, a description added for the task when assigned, what type of event or communication the task requires, and the date the task was created. Pending tasks on the list can be rescheduled, marked as done, canceled, or assigned to different staff members using the action icon to the right. Rescheduling will open the Edit Task screen and allow you to enter a new date and time for the task. Choosing Done or Cancel will update the status for the event and replace the action icon with that status. The Assign option will let you send the task to a different user in your account, which you can choose from the drop-down menu. New tasks can be added for a partner by clicking the Add Task button. When you add a new task, you can first choose what user the task will be assigned to. Next, the date and time of the event can be set. You can either type a date directly into the field or use the Calendar Navigator to select a date. After that, choose what type of contact needs to be made with your partner for the task. If you wish to set a pop-up reminder in your CRM for the event, you can determine how early you will be notified before the start time. You can also choose to send a reminder email to the partner for the event in the same way. If the event needs to be repeated on a regular basis, you can choose the repetition interval in the Recurrence menu. Below, you can enter any details you need to be reminded about in the Description field. This is what will appear in the Calendar Event box in the Dashboard tab and in the Partner Task List in the Partnerships tab. Lastly, you can choose a color to use for the event in your calendar. To save the event, both to the partner's record and your dashboard calendar, click the Add button below. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.